his medicines in the table and I gotta eat this. But Woody's gotta stay there and the microwave and this ain't about in the microwave. Oh, I gotta eat it. Oh, what a fork! Oh my God, zombie! That was funny.
Hey, partner, you eat my chicken nugget.
Whoa, what do you mean?
Get away from my chicken nugget. That's mine. Come here, chicken nugget. Come here. Papa wants to eat you. Come here. What are you doing? Get away from my chicken nugget.
Hey, Guppies.
Oh. Oh. Donkey.
I'm Shrek, man.
I'm knocked out, man.
Shut up.
Oh, I think I'm coming to. Oh, I better sit up. Oh. What the heck did I run into? Oh, I gotta get up to my feet. Oh. Where'd that green thing go? Oh, I better find her. Hey! Come here! Oh, I got even with him. Now, where'd my chicken nugget go? Where'd that go? Oh, there it is. Oh, no, not you. Oh, give me my chicken nugget. What in the heck is this? Get off my chicken. Better get this chicken nugget. Better get my chicken. Give me my chicken. Oh, I just want to sit down and eat. For the love of God, I just want to eat. Oh, I dropped it. My arm's all limp. I can't move. My arm fell asleep. I can't move my arm.
Oh, I like him fix it.
Oh, no. What are you doing? What are you doing to my arm? What are you doing to my arm? Oh, Lord, get out of here. Oh, where'd you take me?
In jail.